Hello and welcome to this lecture. Key points in the transactional model of business. Now, first of all, let's have a look at the inbound transactions. Number one, they are a result of products or services that other businesses provide to it. These transactions represent the costs. Number three, the more the frequency and cumulative cost of inbound transactions, the more your expenses. Now, let's look at the outbound transactions. So the first important point is it is a result of products or services that your business provides to the market. The second point is these transactions show your net revenue. The third important point is the more the frequency and cumulative sum of these transactions, the more your firm's gross revenue. Therefore, the goal of a business is to, number one, enhance the frequency of outbound transactions, increase average value of outbound transactions, and reduce overall costs in creating products and services for the market, which result in outbound transactions. While doing this, the business must maintain a quality which will match the perceived value of your customers. And also, secondly, your job is to reduce the cumulative cost of inbound transactions as well as the operational cost of producing the goods and services over the course of a quarter or a year. This will increase the overall profitability of your business and make it more sustainable. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to the next lecture and let's keep on learning.